The King Who Planted Trees. A long time ago, in a faraway land, there lived a kind and wise king named Arion. His kingdom was called Solara. Many years ago, Solara was full of green forests, vibrant flowers, and clean, flowing rivers. But after years of war and selfishness, the land became dry and empty. No trees, no birds, no smiles. People were sad and hungry. King Arion looked upon his kingdom with a heavy heart. He remembered tales from his own childhood, stories of deep green forests where sunlight dappled through the leaves and rivers ran clear and cool. He knew he had to do something. When Arion became king, the people expected a big speech about gold or armies. But King Arion stood before them, wearing simple clothes and holding a small, hopeful tree in his hands. He said, "I do not promise riches. I do not promise miracles, but I will plant one tree every day with my own hands until our land becomes beautiful again." People looked at him in silence. Some laughed softly, some whispered, "One tree? That won't change anything." But King Arion didn't stop. The next morning, he planted a tree in the palace garden. The day after, he planted one near the dusty village well. Then he planted one near a broken school, hoping it would one day shade children playing. Every day, one tree. At first, people just watched. Then, one curious little boy timidly joined him, helping to pat down the soil. Soon after, a woman brought precious seeds saved from her home, while a group of eager children helped carry buckets of water from the well. A farmer saw the king's effort and offered a corner of his field. Slowly, one by one, more and more people began to help. Planting, watering, caring. The land started to change. Green leaves unfurled on young branches. Flowers bloomed, filling the air with sweet, gentle smells. Birds returned, their cheerful songs echoing through the growing groves. People smiled more, their faces reflecting the returning life around them. The air felt fresh and clean. Years passed. The small saplings the king and his people had planted grew into strong, tall trees. The kingdom was full of life again, not because of magic or war, but because a kind king believed in something simple, and his people learned to believe too. Hope grows slowly, but it grows. One day, sitting under the shade of a large, magnificent tree he had planted years ago, a little girl asked the old king, now with hair as white as snow, "Your Majesty, when did you know your trees would really grow?" The king smiled, his eyes twinkling with the memory. He said, "I didn't know for sure, little one, but I believed they might." And that hope was enough to start planting the first seed. Message of the story: even the smallest action can create big change if we believe and stay patient. Just like the king, we all can plant little seeds of kindness and hope every day.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video